Ganesh Naik. Ganesh Naik, born 15 September 1950, is an Indian politician. He is the Bhartiya Janta Party member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly who represented Belapur in the past and was the Thane Guardian Minister in the state government. He was the Minister of Labour, Excise and Environment in the previous government. Political career. Ganesh Naik began his career as an MLA in 1990 with Shiv Sena but later switched to the Nationalist Congress Party in 1999. He belongs to the locally powerful Agri community. Vidhan Sabha election 2014. In the Maharashtra State Assembly polls, results for which were announced on 19 October 2014, Naik lost to the BJP candidate and Vijay Mahathur. The winning candidate had left in CP just before the elections, opposing the family rule of the Naik clan in Navi Mumbai. Naik's son, Sandeep Naik, however, was re-elected to the Airoli seat by margin of over 7,000 votes. Earlier in May parliamentary elections, his other son, Dr. Sanjeev Naik, had lost his seat to the Shiv Sena by a huge margin.